Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert an image to editable text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Picture option. Then select the picture and insert it. Now we click the picture and go to the Format menu. Then click Wrap Text option and choose In Front of Text. Then move this picture anywhere very easily. Then resize the picture to in this page. Then again go to the Format menu and click Picture Format. Then click Correction option and go to the Picture Correction option. Then increase or decrease brightness and contrast. Then go to the File menu and click Save As option. Then save as this picture as a PDF. Then delete this image and go to the View menu. Then click Outline option and select Show Document. Then insert this PDF file and click Open. Now we wait some few moments to open this PDF. Click Yes to all. Now we can see here this PDF or this picture is as editable. We click the Close Outline View and we can see here this is a editable file or text. Now we apply some effects and anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.